Welcome! The FIT Writing and Speaking Studio has created this video to inform you on how to make a WC online account to schedule an appointment with us. With the Writing and Speaking Studio account, you will have access to our writing and speaking tutors' schedules and can create, adjust, and/or access your online appointments. To get started, begin on the FIT homepage, click Academics, and then scroll to the FIT Writing and Speaking Studio. Scroll down and click Schedule an Appointment, or just type the following URL into your web browser. Once on the WCOnline homepage, type in your FIT username and password. This is your first name _ last name, not your email. If you've previously scheduled appointments with the Academic Skills Center, Library One-on-One Research Help, and/or EOP, after the initial login, begin filling out the questionnaire so we can get to know you. Start by filling in your FIT email address and first and last name. You must use your official FIT email address to make a profile, but you are welcome to use your preferred first name when creating an account. Next, enter your telephone number, which is optional, your academic standing, graduation year, and major/department. You will now need your FIT ID @ number. If you don't know it, you can find it at the top right of your screen when logging into MyFIT, or find it on your pay stub if you are employed on campus. Then, select your first or home language and how you identify. If you're a visiting student, welcome again. Please tell us the name of your school. If you work with the Office of Educational Opportunity Programs, indicate that here. Lastly, type in your FIT password and then you're all set. You've successfully created your profile. You are now on the WCOnline scheduling page and are ready to schedule your first appointment with us. For help on how to make an appointment, please click the next tutorials that will walk you through on how to make and access your appointments. If you have any other questions or concerns or simply want to learn more about our studio, please contact us by emailing writing_speaking@fitnyc.edu. Calling us at 212-217-3060, visiting us at room C612 in the Feldman Center, or visiting our Instagram @FIT Write Speak. We look forward to seeing you.